If we have the expression 24 plus 48 divided by 4 squared times open parentheses 9 minus 3 close parentheses, what is the correct answer? Depending on how you approach the order of operations, you might end up with wildly different answers, like 27, 24.5, or 42. In this video, we're going to dissect the incorrect ways most people solve this, uncover why those mistakes happen, and master the exact rules needed to get the right answer every single time. Let's look at the first common mistake people make. Many people scan the problem from left to right, see 24 plus 48, and immediately add them together to get 72. Next, they evaluate the exponent, 4 squared, to get 16, leaving them with 72 divided by 16 times open parentheses 9 minus 3. Then they divide 72 by 16 to get 4.5. Finally, they subtract inside the parentheses to get 6, and multiply 4.5 by 6 to arrive at 27. While this feels seamless, it's completely wrong. Adding before dividing and evaluating exponents violates fundamental math priority rules. Now let's analyze a second, much more subtle trap that catches even advanced students. Other people start by solving inside the parentheses first. 9 minus 3 equals 6, giving 24 plus 48 divided by 4 squared times 6. Next, they compute the exponent 4 squared equals 16. Here is where they make the fatal mistake. They believe multiplication has higher priority than division, because M comes before D in the acronym PEMDAS. They multiply 16 by 6 to get 96, getting 24 plus 48 divided by 96. Dividing 48 by 96 gives 0.5, and adding 24 equals 24.5. This answer is also completely wrong because multiplication and division actually hold equal rank. To solve this correctly, we must strictly apply the PEMDAS hierarchy. P stands for parentheses, resolve grouping symbols first. E stands for exponents, evaluate powers next. Now pay close attention. M and D, multiplication and division, are on the exact same priority level. You must perform them strictly from left to right as they appear in the expression. Finally, A and S, addition and subtraction, also share equal priority and are evaluated from left to right. Let's solve our original problem properly. 24 plus 48 divided by 4 squared times 9 minus 3. Step 1. Handle the parentheses first. 9 minus 3 equals 6. The expression becomes 24 plus 48 divided by 4 squared times 6. Step 2. Handle exponents. 4 squared equals 16. The expression becomes 24 plus 48 divided by 16 times 6. Step 3. Multiplication and division from left to right. Division appears first on the left. 48 divided by 16 equals 3. Now we have 24 plus 3 times 6. Perform the multiplication. 3 times 6 equals 18. Step 4. Addition. 24 plus 18 equals 42. The correct answer is 42. Now let's test our understanding on a second problem. What is the value of 52 plus 12 divided by 4 times 6 minus 4? Many people add 52 and 12 first to get 64, divide by 4 to get 16, and multiply by 2 to get 32. Incorrect. Others solve inside the parentheses to get 2, multiply 4 by 2 to get 8, divide 12 by 8 to get 1.5, and add 52 to get 53.5. Also incorrect. Let's apply our left to right rule to find the true solution. Step 1. Parentheses first. 6 minus 4 equals 2. This leaves us with 52 plus 12 divided by 4 times 2. Step 2. Look at the multiplication and division from left to right. Division comes first as we scan from left to right. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Now we have 52 plus 3 times 2. Next, perform multiplication. 3 times 2 equals 6. Finally, perform addition. 52 plus 6 equals 58. The correct answer is 58. Let's solve our final math challenge together. 21 plus 14 divided by 7 minus 5. If you add 21 and 14 first, you get 35. And dividing 35 by 2 gives 17.5. A classic addition trap. To solve this correctly, step 1 is parentheses. 7 minus 5 equals 2, giving 21 plus 14 divided by 2. Step 2. Division beats addition. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Step 3. Add 21 and 7 to get our final answer of 28. To wrap up, remember these 3 golden rules whenever you tackle an expression. First, parentheses and exponents always take priority. Second, multiplication and division are equal partners. Never prioritize multiplication just because M comes before D in PEMDAS. Always work left to right. Third, addition and subtraction also share equal rank and are solved from left to right at the very end. Master these rules, and you'll never fall for a viral math trap again. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step math breakdowns.